sky still cries. Raindrops falling where your promise lies. Your shadow dances in the streetlights glow, and I still feel you, though I know each drop's a word we never said. Each puddle mirrors where we bled. The storm inside won't fade away. It rains the same since you walked away. Lonely rain, fall again. Wash my heart of what's remained. Every tear just sounds like you, falling soft but cutting through. You said love would ease the pain, but I'm drowning in this lonely rain. The windows hum with your old refrain, the one you sang before the pain. Now every thunder feels your name, a whisper lost, a fleeting flame. I chase the echoes down the street, where laughter used to feel complete. But every step it fades in vain. All that's left